Pip the shy puppy. Under the big, green mango tree, a little puppy hides. His name is Pip. Woof, he whispers, very small. A butterfly comes near. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Its wings are bright and sunny yellow. Hello, chirps the butterfly. But Pip just wiggles his nose. Thump! A big, yellow mango falls down. It lands softly on the grass right in front of Pip. Plop! Pip creeps a little closer. Sniff, sniff, sniff. The mango smells so sweet and yummy. The butterfly lands right on the mango. Yummy, it seems to say, wiggling its antennae. Pip gives the mango a little push with his nose. Boop! It wobbles and rolls on the grass. The mango rolls. Pip pounces. Pounce, pounce, pounce. The butterfly flutters all around, playing too. Woof! Woof! Barks Pip. A happy, friendly bark. He is not shy anymore. Under the big, green mango tree, a happy puppy rests. His name is Pip, and he has a new friend.